BGTC has spent about 18 months working towards the selection of our clinical trials. It's really the first step in actually doing the work of the consortium. So we're really excited to have our clinical trial selections, and we will be working over the next year to actually get them into the process to start the clinical trial.
I'm really excited today to announce that the BGTC has selected 8 rare diseases to move forward towards first-in-human clinical trials. While all patients suffering from rare diseases are important, these 8 diseases were selected as the cases that will most quickly achieve the goal of speeding the development and delivery of gene therapies.
Obviously, it's going to, we hope, be hugely impactful for the patients that are treated in these studies, who in many cases don't have any other good options. I think for more broadly for the field, it's going to serve as a model and show that this kind of thing can be done. And I think that we expect, and I expect, and my hope is that the learnings will be more broadly applied and leverageable to many, many other rare diseases and other clinical studies and reaching more patients.
I think for rare disease families in this country, we realize more than anyone else that all boats rise together, right? And so the more funding for different technologies there is out there, and the more rare disease kids that are getting help because of it, it's just really inspiring and gives me a lot of hope for the future.
We're not here to follow the standard of care, we're here to set it. And so really it's about those new discoveries, trying to improve on the therapeutic options that we have. And many of those 11,000 diseases have no therapeutic options. So some improvement is great, but I'm looking for transformational therapy development.
I just would like the rare disease community to know that we heard you, every one of you counts, and we are all committed to figuring out solutions for those rare diseases.
So our son, Håkon, was diagnosed with Duchenne 21 years ago, and we've seen progress accelerate over the past 2 to 3 years exponentially. And I think BGTC is going to actually help that along even more. My message to other families that are touched by rare disease is don't give up. And just know that there's an awful lot of work that's been done previously that is just now coming to fruition. And so the work that we all as communities can do together now will have impressive results over the next few years.
I think the message right now is please stay connected to the consortium. We have a newsletter, we have a website, we have resources for patients and their families, and we really want to make sure that you stay engaged throughout the entire process. Whether your disease is represented in the 8 that were selected or not, we really want to make sure that you have access to all of the resources that the BGTC will be putting out over the next several years, and we hope you'll engage with our 2nd annual meeting in 2024.